Hallelujah. 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 You know, I contemplated sharing this testimony this morning. But yesterday, I was on my way to Old Harbor because we had teens running. And my brothers and sisters, when I got to Spanish Town to take a taxi to Old Harbor, I was walking through the bus park and a man came up to me. And I said, "Are you going to Old Harbor, sir?" And he said, "Yes." And I went into the taxi and I sat down. And a few minutes after, some other people came into the taxi. But then I realized that while the man was driving, he turned off on another road. I don't know the road. And he started letting off the people. So I became a little concerned and I said, "Sir, where are you bringing me?" "I want to go to the convention center." And he just ignored me and continued letting off everybody else. And by the time I was the only person sitting in the taxi, he said to me, "No, I had no intentions of bringing you to where you want to go. In the name of Jesus. Because you are a beautiful little girl and I could get a lot of money for you." And my brothers and sisters, in that moment, I know sometimes we think about those things in our head and we come up with 1,000 solutions. But in that moment, I froze. And he took out his phone and he made a phone call to somebody. And he put the phone on speaker so that I could hear it. And he was trying to decide how much he could get from me. He was describing me to the man. And then the man said to him, "Does she come from here?" And he said, "No, she don't look like it. She come from here. So what we have to go do, we have to go cut her up and sell her body parts so that nobody will be able to find her." And I'm sitting in the taxi hearing this conversation. And I froze. And in the moment, my brothers and sisters, and I want you to hear me, because maybe you don't have anything to worship God for today, but I have something to worship the Lord for. And while I was sitting here in the taxi, I couldn't do anything. I couldn't speak, I couldn't move. I was sitting right beside him, so I couldn't even say, take out my phone to call somebody. And just a song came to me. The song that says, "I'll say of the Lord that."
Hallelujah!
All of my trust, take me from glory to glory. So in Him will I trust. In Him will I trust. 'Cause some trust in chariots, some trust in horses, but I will remember the name of my God. He is a warrior. To a halt, and he stopped the car and he looked at me. He said, "Are you a Christian?" And I said, "Yes, I'm a Christian." But then by the time he's talking to me, he doesn't realize that a lady's coming into the taxi at the same time. So by the time he's done asking me if I'm a Christian, somebody else comes in the car and says, "I'm going to Spanish Town."